think about it. What is the value of A? So I see a number line going from 60 to 0. It's not a traditional number line because the 0 is all the way to the right and a positive 60 is to the left. So the number line is not a traditional number line. But there are tick marks between 60 and 0. I need to figure out what is the value of A. So the first thing I want to do is figure out how many tick marks are between 0 and 60, including 60. So 0 is right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 lines between 0 and 60, including 0. So that means that every line from 0 to 60 is skip counted by a multiple that's going to end at 60. So I got to do 60 divided by 10. And I should know off the top of my head that that number is 6. So we're skip counting by 6. So I'm going to go ahead and write 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and then 60. So the first question, what is the value of A? That answer is 6. The second question, what is the value of B? That answer is 42. And the third question, what is the value of C? That answer is 24. So once you figure out what we're skip counting by, you're able to answer all the questions.